Hey guys, Rick here. Real quick, today I'm going to show you exactly how I make my favorite chocolate protein cookies. This recipe is so good, it doesn't take too much time to prepare, uses very few ingredients, and at about 200 calories each. These cookies are going to be very hard to beat. They're so delicious. So let's get straight to the recipe. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to run through the ingredients. We're going to be using some collagen. We're going to be using some oats. We're going to be using some marshmallows, some Hershey's cocoa powder, some ripe bananas, and some chocolate chips. Okay, so we're going to start by mashing the bananas using a fork. If you want your cookies to be a bit more sweeter without adding any artificial sweetener, then you're going to have to use riper bananas. So look for ones that have that are more brown on the exterior. Okay, so you want to completely mash the bananas. Make sure you get out all the chunks. Next, we're going to be adding in the oats. Then we're going to be adding in the 4 scoops of collagen, the cocoa powder, and if you see that the cookies come out too dry, you could even add in a teaspoon or a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here I didn't use it, but I had it on hand. They were just perfect. Okay, so after it's well mixed, you're going to want to take a spoon or a spoon and a spatula, and you're going to want to form 6 cookies. Okay, so here we're adding on the marshmallow, and as you can see I used the big marshmallow, and we're just going to push it directly in the center. We're gonna add on some chocolate chips, and here for this recipe I only added 3, but if you like your cookie to be a bit more sweeter without adding anything artificial, once again, then you could add in a bit more chocolate chips. At this point it's done, it's ready. You're going to set your oven at 350 degrees and you're going to put it in the middle rack for about 15 to 20 minutes. As soon as you start seeing the marshmallow cooking and not burning, but like a nice brown on the top of the marshmallow, you know that the cookies are ready. And then you're going to want to put them on a cooling rack, try to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you could start eating them.